Hello, good day. So welcome to this online video. So our purpose now is to convert the data downloaded from the Google form into numerical data. Remember that if you downloaded the data from the Google form because you use Google form to float your questionnaire, it will appear like this. So you will get categories or you will get the words, and of course, we need this to convert because when we analyze the data, it must be in numerical form. So to do that, we have to consider our coding scheme. And this is our coding scheme, wherein 1 corresponds to strongly disagree until 6 to strongly agree. So what we're going to do is to use the function Control F in Microsoft Excel that is actually the find and replace. So let us now start how to do that. So we just simply need to click Control F. And for example, if we're going to consider strongly disagree, we will replace this with 1. So we have to encode 1, replace all. And then continue doing this. So after strongly disagree, we also have moderately disagree. Replace it with 2, click replace all. Mildly disagree. So this will be replaced with 3, click replace all. Mildly agree will be replaced with number 4, replace all. Moderately agree. So let's replace moderately agree with 5, replace all. And lastly, is strongly agree will be replaced with number 6 because that's the code given. So replace all. So we are now done with converting our words into numerical data. And the next thing that you need to do is to consider now how will you process the data. Will you get the sum? Will you compute for the mean and all other ways now to compute for the desired output? Remember that you use the data for you to come up now with a result that shows the measurement of your questionnaire. So in the case of this questionnaire, it is a questionnaire that aims to measure life satisfaction. So after now getting all of this, it must be processed so that you will know what is the life satisfaction of your respondent. So in the next video, we will show you how to process the data for you to come up now with your organized data for presentation.